chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, got a fucking mask on.
Whoa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are going to be waxing and lightening under our arms. So first, what we want to do is turn on the wax pot. I actually got this wax pot from Amazon, and I'm using a mix of an Amazon wax and Star Pill wax. I already had this plugged up for a while, so that's the reason why the wax is already melted. I have the temperature set to roughly about 190 degrees. So first, what we want to do is wash our hands. That is the most important step. We want to make sure that we're washing our hands, doing the proper sanitation. Okay, so yeah, get your hands nice and squeaky clean, and then we are going to test out the wax. You want to test out the wax because you want to make sure that it is not too hot. Okay, so you fan a little bit. The temperature seems to be nice, but it's still a little bit sticky, so I can't rip it off just yet. So okay, it's good. We can go ahead and rip it off now. Lift yourself a little bit of a tab and then rip. Okay, good. So now break the stick in half because we don't want to waste any sticks. We're not wasting any sticks. Okay, we're preserving everything here. Some hand sanitizer. Good old hand sanitizer, and yeah, then we're going to put on our gloves because you need your gloves. Okay, when you're waxing, whether it's yourself or someone else, you need gloves. And then you are going to sanitize the gloves because you don't know where they've been. Okay, I mean, I know where they've been, but I don't know where they've been before they've been where they've been. Okay, now we're gonna get this aesthetic wipe and rip it in half, and then squirt a little bit of this solution from Star Pill wax that is used before you wax to help clean all of the dirt and residue or deodorant or whatever from under the arms. Look at all that hair. Oh, your girl was, really just living the cave life or something. But yeah, okay, so now when waxing, you want to make sure that you are going in the direction of hair growth. So I'm going to apply the wax going down because my hair, it grows in different directions, but that part grows down. So I'm gonna apply the wax going downward, and then that way when I lift the tab or when I pull it up, I'm going to pull it up and then I'll get all the hair out. So here we go. Woo! Ooh. See? And voila, look at all that hair. I am foul. Okay, now take a fresh stick, and then this hair grows upward or something, I don't even know, so you want to apply the wax going up. Let it dry. This wax actually dries pretty fast, so I'm just tapping it to make sure that it's dry. Give myself a little tab, and then the time is coming. Give it a little more time. Give it a little more time. Okay, and here we go. Ah, yes. Look at that. Don't mind the blood that you're gonna see, or when you wax on your arms, you see a little bit of blood. It's okay. That just means that the hair will not grow in that follicle anymore. So don't worry about that. It's actually a good thing. So yeah, now I'm just giving myself some little tabs for this extra wax, and rip it off. There we go. See, take an aesthetic wipe or the other half of the aesthetic wipe and use the post cream. This basically just helps to get any excess wax off the skin, and look at that clean underarm. Look at that. Yes. Nice and clean. Okay, so now for this other one, we're gonna repeat the steps. So I'm actually going to speed through this clip, so just enjoy the music. Okay, look at that, nice and clean. Now I can wave to people with my arms up. You don't necessarily have to get rid of the gloves because what we're about to use, I probably should have kept the gloves on because it did stain my nails, but whatever. So you're gonna need a bowl and a brush. I'm just using this fan brush that I have from my mask that I use, and you're gonna need some turmeric. I don't know, whatever. And then a little bit of water, and I just mix it all together. And I want you want like a thick paste, something along the lines of like toothpaste, and then just rub that under your arms. Now with this, it does get messy because I don't know, it just does. And this turmeric also stains, so you want to make sure that you're using, that's why I have on a black shirt, because if I get it on it, you won't be able to see it. But you want to make sure that you wear something that will, that if it gets on it, you won't care, or you can wash it and won't be able to see it, because it did stain my white rug, but whatever. So I'm just coating my underarm with the turmeric paste and or mask, I don't know. See, spilled something. Be careful with this, it's very messy. I probably should have put like a plastic bag or something down, but we're just gonna put that all over our underarms, and then what I'm gonna do is let it dry. So yeah, I just kept my arms up for literally like 10 minutes and let it dry. So I danced around, you know, waved my hands in the air like I just don't care, did the Bobby Shmurda flex, you know, whatever. Anything you got to do to keep your arms up. Left it on for about 10 minutes, and then once it was ready, it's now time to take it off. I don't know why I'm posing. So I just used a wet aesthetic wipe to get it off, and like I said, it's messy, so be careful. Yeah, all of that, and it, like I said, it does stain. So it stained like a little bit under my arms. They were just a little bit yellow. Once I got in the shower, I used some soap, it came off, but still, just something to note. And yeah, remove all of that because we don't want it. And look at my underarms. They were so smooth. I mean, obviously after doing this multiple times, you can get them much lighter. It has been a while since I've done it, and I've also been using deodorant, this one deodorant that I said I wasn't using anymore. So yeah, if you use like an all natural deodorant, or you can use lemon or lime for your underarms, and you actually don't get musty. Like over time, you get like a, I don't know, like your body gets used to it. And yeah, so if you want other tips on keeping your underarms nice and clean and must free, here you go. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.